Oh, hey, I didn't notice you there. My name is Brian. I also go by Saint Salvage, and I'm a tailor. More importantly, a denim tailor. I've mastered all kinds of garments, all kinds of industries, from bridal to suits, but for the last 7 years, I've dedicated my craft to denim. For 2 of those years, I was working in a small little bespoke shop. That means like custom, made to order. And we literally measured people, they picked out what they wanted, and then we made the jeans. After those 2 years, I dedicated myself for 5 years to a company you all know, Levi Strauss. And there, I built up the Southern California tailor shops. We made a name for ourselves in denim in Southern California, custom tailoring. And I'm here to explain different tailors to you today. A good tailor needs to understand clothing, the construction, the seam allowances, and all that good stuff. But more importantly, the human body, because we need to fit those pieces of clothing to that body. And we need to satisfy their fit and all that good stuff. So if you don't have clothing down and you don't have the human body down, then you aren't a good tailor. Today I want to talk to you about the 3 different types of tailors. You have your dry cleaner tailors, you have your bridal and suit tailors, and you have your denim tailors. So dry cleaners, they're your everyday, affordable, quick fix. They don't typically specialize, so you don't want to go to them for certain things. If you're looking for a quick hem, perfect. If you're looking to fix your buttons, perfect. Fix your Sunday dress, perfect. So if you need a quick fix, your neighborhood dry cleaners. These are going to be your suits, your bridal, your gowns. This is more specialized. They're going to be working with silks and wools and very specialized formal fabrics. So you're going to take your slacks there, your pantsuits, your business suits, your gowns and dresses, because they specialize solely on these. A denim tailor, also known as a jeansmith. For the denim industry, there's certain ways and methods to finish garments and to finish the jeans and jackets. If you don't follow these methods, the items will end up looking like trash. You would want to go to someone like me, a denim tailor, because we understand your jeans, the jeans that you've had for years, that you put holes in that we can repair, that you lived in. We understand the finishings of the garments and the hems and how things should work on a piece of denim. So if you have your vintage jeans, your 501s that have been with you forever, take them to a denim tailor. If you have these primo Japanese denim, take them to a denim tailor. If you have a jacket that just needs repaired and you want it done the right way, take it to a denim tailor. There's different types of tailors for your different garment needs. So remember to pick your tailor for the fabrics and the methods. So I hope this was informative. If you have more questions, feel free to comment and follow for more videos just like this to learn about tailoring and fashion.